Welcome to our laundry showdown. Today, we're diving into the world of portable washing machines, focusing on two popular options, the WonderWash and the GreenChat mini washers. We'll break down their features, compare their capacities, and discuss their power sources to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in a tiny apartment or need a reliable washing solution for your travels, we've got you covered. Let's start with the power source. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring you to crank it by hand, making it perfect for off-grid situations. On the other hand, the GreenChat mini washer is electric and semi-automatic, allowing for a more hands-off experience while washing your clothes. This difference can significantly affect your laundry routine, especially if you have limited access to electricity. Next, let's talk about capacity. The WonderWash has a load capacity of 5 pounds, which is suitable for small, delicate items. In contrast, the GreenChat Mini boasts a much larger capacity of 16 liters, making it more versatile for larger loads. This can be a game changer for those who need to wash multiple items at once, especially in a busy household. Finally, let's examine portability. The WonderWash has a standard countertop design, making it easy to use but less portable. In contrast, the GreenChat Mini is foldable, allowing it to collapse down for easy storage and transport. This feature is particularly beneficial for those living in tight spaces or needing to move their washer frequently. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the GreenChat Mini Washer have their unique advantages. If you prioritize durability and off-grid capability, the WonderWash is your best bet. However, if you need a more convenient and larger capacity solution, the GreenChat Mini is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like